sharp. Okay, so today, Ari and Kiki Kardashian in the upside down world. And we have a special guest, but before I tell you who that special guest is, go follow me on all my social medias. GoKeeKeeGo, GoKeeKeeGo on Instagram, YouTube, everything, even TikTok. But for my TikTok, it's GoKeeKeeGo and GoTV. Okay, it's time for my special guest. Pray in my love sister. Come on, talk. I'm sorry. All right, well today she's getting a little makeover, so let's do it. So we're going to start with let's do your cheekbones because y'all are too shiny. Perfect. Now do this. Duck lips. Tighter! Tight! Perfect. Perfect. I feel like I'm looking pretty. Yeah, you are gonna look pretty. You look so beautiful. Now we're gonna take this. Yours. Perfect. So we're gonna blend it in now. Let's go. Let's do the tricks. We're gonna do the cheekbones first. Perfect. On your head. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Some of this. Some of this. Some of this. Perfect. Do you feel pretty?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well, that's good, because you look pretty. Let's do some of this. Right there, right there, right there. Alright, what are we gonna do now? Okay, I know what to do. We're gonna... Alright. We got this shiny stuff. You can open your orange. Perfect. Oh.
Anyways, thank you for doing my makeup too.
No problems at all. Look sharper.
Thank you.
See, is there? I think this color on top of your already. Perfect. Good. Now, let's do some of this. If I can get it open.
You're doing it the wrong way.
I knew that. I know everything. I was just joking. Perfect. Some of this. Fit in my hand. Some fresh moisturizer for your skin. Oh my goodness. Just add a little bit more. Bring Anyways, bring the color out on your skin. Perfect. Open your eyes. Perfect. This is going to show really all your don't read just a little bit.
Fine.
Perfect. That's sorry. Oh yeah, the eyebrows. Can't forget that. Perfect. Looks so beautiful. Right now, over here, take some of this rose oil. Wash drying. Grab one more line.
It's fine, I get messy, but it's just me.
Yeah, you definitely look very fucked up. So beautiful, girl. So beautiful. You know what? Let me show you this I can do. Oh yes. You're gonna be like the cutest girl on the block. Besides me, because I'm just like a little cuter than you. But yeah. So I also got some new plastic surgery, guys. That was cool. What is this? I don't know. Whatever. Whatever it is, it's gonna make her look pretty. So this on her lips. Perfect. And now one more thing. Some more. Some more dish. Some more dish. They look like so pretty. And make sure then. So when I do makeup, I kind of think of it as me painting. I think I'm repainting. So this is how I paint. Go full in with my hands. Everything that I'm doing right now. Right now we're going for like a Donald Trump vibe. So I guess yeah. But where is that thing? Yeah, I think that's it. Donald Trump gets really mad for no reason, so we have to make some red cheeks. Do you like Donald Trump? I hate him. Well, we're making you better than Donald Trump. And let's finish it off with a little more of this. I feel like we're missing one thing there. What are we missing?
Bringing it in, I think.
No! I know what we're missing. Got it. Contour. So, now I'm going to show her what she looks like because she looks flawless. Pose for the camera real quick. Pose for the camera. Y'all, she's all of that, y'all. Okay. What is this? It's a masterpiece. Well, we're just going to wrap it up. And that was it today. So thank you for watching KEEKEE Kardashian. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those push notifications. You already know where it is. And follow me on all of my social medias one more time at GoKeeKeeGo, GoKeeKeeGo on Instagram and YouTube. And for TikTok, it's GoKeeKeeGo. Once again, GoKeeKeeGo TV. So GoKeeKeeGo and GoTV.
Do not make
Okay, bye!
My mama ain't raised no punk. I got a heart, I got an age on your tongue. Keep talking, we gon' have you for lunch. I ain't mad, baby girl, just one. My mama ain't raised no punk. I got a heart, I got an age on your tongue. Keep talking, we gon' have you for lunch. I ain't mad, baby girl, just one. I'm the man in the city I'm on. Who said a girl can't sit on the throne? I been lit since Bobby came home. Now you rappers better watch your tone. I threw my head in the air like I'm Smurder. I'm on their necks, tuck your head like a turtle. Somebody mama asking where my parents. They just mad cause our first name is Karen. Get the money in the Benz running errands. I'm feeling greedy, baby girl, ain't sharing.